Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can flip the camera on Zoom or change the camera during a Zoom meeting. So flipping or changing the camera during a Zoom meeting is simple, whether you are on computer or mobile device. But today's on this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it on mobile. So there are two methods to flip the camera before joining a meeting or during a meeting. So first I'm going to show you how you can flip the camera or adjust the settings before joining a meeting. So let's just launch the Zoom application first. Okay, so in here you can after you open the Zoom application, you can tap on settings by clicking on more, and in here this is the settings. You can select the meetings options, and now you can verify your camera preferences, whether you want to turning it off first or mirror your video. So for example, I want to turn this off. Okay, now the second method is during the meeting. So if you want to flip camera during a meeting, let's just start a meeting first. I'm going to make a video on, tap on start a meeting,